One little stick snapped very easily today. Welcome to Piccolatales, where little hearts learn big lessons. Want to continue the fun? Visit Piccolatales.com to download the storybook, coloring pages, and fun activity pages. But could many sticks ever break together? Let's discover the secret of true strength. One evening, Picco played happily with Tilo. Together they built a colorful block tower. Tilo's wagging tail accidentally touched the tower. Crash! Every colorful block fell everywhere suddenly. Picco looked sad, but Mom smiled gently. Mom began sharing a wonderful story lovingly. Picco and Tilo listened with curious smiles. Long ago, a farmer lived happily nearby. His 4 sons argued almost every single day. Each believed he was always the best. Their endless fighting made Father feel worried. Then Father thought of a clever lesson. He requested everyone bring one strong stick. Soon every son returned carrying sturdy sticks. The eldest quickly snapped his stick easily. Next, 2 brothers broke their sticks quickly. Finally, the youngest snapped his stick too. Father tied many sticks into one bundle. He handed the bundle to eldest son. The strong bundle would not break apart. Every brother tried with all their strength. Still, the bundle stayed strong together always. Father gently explained the powerful lesson afterwards. Together, families become stronger than standing alone. The brothers hugged and promised staying united. Picco hugged Tilo with a happy smile. Together, every challenge becomes easier to overcome.
Will you always stay together with your family? Nod your head if yes. Subscribe to the channel for more learning and adventures with us, Picco and Tilo.